Hello dear students, thank you very much for joining in this course. In this course I will teach you how check the spam score of website. What is the spam scores and why we check the spam scores, and how take backlinks before check uh, check the spam score of that website. It is the most important thing when we take backlink from any website. Must we check the spam score, how much the spam score have, and why it is bad if they have high spam score. We take from backlinks from that site. What is the spam and how check spam score? Spam score represent the percentage of sites which similar feature that found to penalized or banned by Google search. Those websites who penalized are banned from Google's and their links, that's called the spam score. A high spam score of websites for sites you are looking at doesn't mean it is a spammy. That few are not be spammy, but most of looking the spammy sites. Here is some websites which I get. The 1% to 30% is good. If any websites you are going to take backlinks, if it has spam about 75%, it is 1 to 30%, it is good. It is no matter. If and 31 to 60%, it is danger, but not so danger. If it is 61 to 100, it is much danger. You not good for your website, but you try to under 30 take. If you take any where's the backlinks, you must be take from under 30. That is good for your websites, as it will improve your website ranking. Let's check there some others. That's you can see how when you come the website here, most bar already previous lecture we talk about it. Then here you come, you can check, click here spam and enter the website. Here all details show about the website which you are going to take links. These are 1 to 10%, it is that showing number of links. 11 to 20 number of links, 20 for 30 number of links, 2 links, and 30 for 30 40 have number 1 links in you getting for that spam websites. And other one 51 to 60 taking 1 spams, and other one 71 to 80 you take they're taking one, only one website is get that high spam scores. They affect website. Thank you very much. See you in next lecture.